In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Bloxstrap multiplayer Roblox not working. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser, head on over to Google and then type in Bloxstrap and hit enter. Now from here, click on the first result, bloxstrap.org, and then scroll down and we need to go ahead and click on download Bloxstrap. So go down here, click on download, and that should start downloading. All right, scroll down again and make sure you get the latest version. Now it's downloading. Once it finishes downloading, go ahead and open it up. If it doesn't appear here, just go ahead and go to your download section on your computer. Then from here, we need to go ahead and click on OK. So choose language, system default. Now we're going to come to this page, the Bloxstrap installer. So go ahead and click on install. So click next, click install. We can change where we want to install it. Then from here, I'm going to go ahead and install and launch Roblox. So now this is going to go ahead and install. Then from here, go ahead and click on configure settings. And then we need to click onto the Bootstrapper tab on the left. Now we need to go ahead and enable prompt to confirm when launching another Roblox instance. Then from here on the left hand side, click on the engine settings tab. Now on the far right, scroll down. Now we needed to pay attention to frame rate limit. We need to change this to 240 and then click save. And now down here on the Bloxstraps tab, go ahead and click onto that and then enable the automatic update Bloxstrap. So make sure that is enabled. Then from here, simply go ahead and click on save and you're going to be good to go.